Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Christopher David Lawson of NEPA at CDL NEPA here on YouTube. This is an updated video for LASFIT's switchback bulbs. After the recall, the switchback may cause an issue where you're going to have hyper flash on the dashboard. The lights themselves will actually still flash normally, just you get the hyper flash in the dashboard. If you're someone like me that's annoyed by little stupid things like that, LASFIT has an updated bulb. This is the T3 425-7D. These are still switchback lights. We're going to go ahead and install these real quick. Now, like I said, the bulbs outside will flash normally. It's just a matter if that bugs you. Let's go ahead and change out these bulbs. It's a real simple process. I did a video the first time around for the original bulbs from LASFIT. Same process. All right, folks, like I said, it's real quick to change these turn signals out. Turn that. This is the original LASFIT bulb. Never had an issue with these bulbs. They say I just get the hyper flash now. You cannot install these wrong. Like I said, this is the first edition. This is the second one. It looks like they've got less LEDs on it, unfortunately, but we'll go ahead and install them. I will keep these first ones just because I can use them in an emergency, say something does go wrong, but they just snap in there like that. Like I said, there's no wrong way to put them in there. Slide it back in, maybe, possibly. Oop, put it in the right hole. Always got to aim for the right hole. Turn it. That's it for the driver's side. All right, everybody, thanks for watching my video. Check the link in the description. You can get a discount on any of the LASFIT bulbs using the code I provide. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.